This is the BMW M3 E46 GTR. A machine once built for precision, performance, and dominance. But today, it stands silent. Submerged in water, attacked by rust, and abandoned by time. Water has left its mark on every surface. Corrosion has spread through its body. Its engine has not breathed in years. To many, this is the end. But in restoration, this is where the story begins. Water damage is one of the most destructive forces a machine can face. Corrosion spreads silently. Electrical systems fail. Structural integrity weakens. Every surface must be inspected. Every weakness must be identified. Restoration begins with understanding the damage. True restoration requires complete disassembly. Nothing is left hidden. Nothing is ignored. The car is reduced to its foundation. This step reveals the full truth and prepares the car for rebirth. Rust is cancer to metal. It weakens structure. It destroys strength. But with precision tools and patience, corrosion can be eliminated. This is where destruction ends, and restoration begins. The engine is the heart of the machine. Water invaded every component. Bearings, pistons, and internal systems required complete restoration. Every piece cleaned. Every surface restored. Power is not replaced. It is rebuilt. The interior is where machine meets human. It must reflect perfection. Every surface restored. Every detail renewed. Comfort and luxury return. Paint is more than appearance. It protects. It defines identity. Layer by layer, the car's past disappears. And its true form returns. Every restored component returns to its place. Precision ensures perfection. This is where restoration becomes reality. For years, silence. Now, power returns. This sound is more than mechanical function. It is life, from water. From rust. From destruction. A legend is reborn. This is not repair. This is resurrection. This is restoration.